Hello and welcome back, folks. I am excited to have you join me on another journey today. We are starting here in beautiful Cambridge, where the sun is shining, and I am just a few meters away from the train station. You can see both the hotel and Cambridge train station from this aerial view. I am walking along Station Road headed to the busy Cambridge station. It's a beautiful sunny summer day with the city bathed in warm sunlight, a perfect day for traveling. Here is my ticket for today's journey. I am excited to head towards Stamford, a beautiful town known for its medieval architecture and stone buildings, often regarded as one of the finest stone towns in England. As I walk through the platform, it's packed with passengers. The train has just left Cambridge, and we are now making our way toward Cambridge North. This short ride provides a glimpse of the city's outskirts with modern buildings giving way to the countryside. The train swiftly passes through Cambridge North Station, a new addition to the railway network, providing easy access to the city's technology parks and research hubs. The contrast between the old and new is a testament to Cambridge's ever-evolving character. The station is always lively, serving as a major connection point to various cities and towns across the east of England. Trains are constantly coming and going, carrying people to work, leisure and adventure. The train station is the largest in the Cambridgeshire region and serves as a key transport hub. Opened in 1845, it connects Cambridge to important destinations like London, Peterborough and Norwich. It's a bustling spot, especially during summer, with both locals and tourists exploring this historic city. The train departs, leaving the historic city of Cambridge behind. I settle into my seat, ready to enjoy the journey through the beautiful countryside. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer, they say, and this adventure promises to be a memorable one. Inside the train, you can see that many passengers are standing. It's a busy time of day, with commuters, tourists and students all making their way to their destinations. Despite the crowd, the train remains comfortable with modern amenities such as Wi-Fi and power outlets, making the journey relaxing and convenient. The real voyage of discovery consists not in seeking new landscapes but in having new eyes, said Marcel Proust. And as I soak in this lovely day, it feels like the perfect moment to see the world with fresh eyes. The train arrives at March Station. It is a small market town located in the Fenlands. Has a long history connected to the railway industry. Once a major junction for trains traveling across the country, March still holds onto its railway heritage and continues to be a key stop along this route. And the town itself is surrounded by agriculture land, reflecting the area's farming roots. As we travel beyond March, the landscape opens up to reveal vast green fields. Among them stand modern wind turbines, harnessing the natural energy of the region. It's a beautiful mix of traditional farmland and cutting-edge renewable energy, with the sunlight making the windmills and fields look almost surreal. By the way, why did the windmill break up with the solar panel? Because it just couldn't generate enough energy in their relationship. As I travel further into the countryside, I am struck by the beauty of the lush green fields stretching in every direction. This is the heart of England's agriculture region, and during summer, you can see fields of wheat, barley and sugar beet, which are the main crops grown here. Some fields are a deep fertile brown, ready for the next sowing season. Lincolnshire and Cambridgeshire are known for their rich agriculture heritage, producing a significant amount of the UK's food supply. Finally, we have reached Stamford Station, bathed in the golden glow of the afternoon sun. The station itself is welcoming, and Stamford, often called one of the best preserved stone towns in England, awaits. It is famous for its Georgian architecture. In my next video, I will take you on a journey through the stunning streets of this historic town. If you are looking forward to seeing more of Stamford, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Be with me.